Hi, everyone, and welcome back.
Hey, all right.
We
New moon
are,
in Libra,
yes, indeed.
2025. This is a good one. So I know I say that about a lot of them, but this is actually a good moon. This one worked out well. It's got, other than just the new moon aspects, because a 12th house new moon is awesome in itself.
Right, right.
The house of Neptune, it's going to be, it's just incredible energy, and it's awesome. But at the same time, we have a grand trine with a diamond tip, and then we have a completely different grand trine. And normally, if we have two grand trines, it's because there's planets
Hmm.
kind of conjuncting each other and causing kind of two trines.
Right, right.
Um, this one, we kind of have that, except the conjunctions are almost at the same degree, so it's not really two. It's one massive grand trine with conjunctive tips
Right.
or points. And um, again, that one's got the grand or the diamond tip on it. And then we have a completely different one. So we have an air trine and a water trine that are both grand on this thing,
Hmm.
um, which is wild. I mean, you don't normally
No, no,
see
but
that
it's going to
way.
be.
It's so the energy is going to be awesome. It's going to be so you got an air trine and a water trine,
Mhm.
and that in itself is, I mean, it's the two mediums for three-dimensional reality. Um, it's absorption and intuition, and they're trining and they're double trines in the same chart. It's has nothing to do with the new moon.
Right,
I mean, it's completely outside of it. So that's not even factored into it. You know,
right. So all
the
of this.
trines are in, or the we'll just call it the diamond. The diamond and the trine,
Hmm.
okay, are acting uh, outside of the new moon.
Right.
So they're in the background.
The energy is going to be lying in the background.
Yes,
Yeah.
but the energy works well
Hmm.
with the 12th house moon. It's
Uh,
just yeah,
yeah, it's going to
it's going
work
to be a good
incredibly
one.
well.
So this one should be really interesting, and I would suggest that you share this, especially with family, close friends, because a lot of it has to do with that now,
Hmm.
and a lot of that's because of the trines. So I would definitely suggest that you take an interest in that one and get them involved if you can,
Absolutely.
because it'll enhance your meditation, their meditation, and your relationship with them. I mean, so it's going to be one of those kind of moons. So let's get into it.
Okay.
Let's go.
Okay. To start this meditation, I would like you to sit comfortably with your feet flat on the floor. Close your eyes and begin to relax. Take a deep breath in, hold, and release. Take another deep breath in, hold, and release. Take yet another deep breath in, hold, and release. Begin a normal breathing rhythm now, and visualize a mist beginning at your feet and swirling upward clockwise to cover your entire body. Inhale this mist into your lungs and allow it to saturate into your bloodstream. As the mist begins to fade, an image takes shape in your mind's eye. You find yourself standing outside at night. Above you is a clear, star-filled sky with no visible moon. As you gaze upward at the stars, you notice an indigo beam from the invisible moon begin to trace its way down to you. This beam of energy impacts you on your forehead, in between and just above your eyes. Allow this energy to open the aperture of your third eye and flow in, seeding your brow chakra,
The energy coming in is concentrated, intuitive, objective, logical, precise, personal, motivating, compatible, discerning, graceful, diplomatic, cooperative, and impartial. This will be coming in through your faith by subconsciously visualizing sincere forgiveness for spiritual unification with friends and family. You will also have an aggressive, empathic, self-aware surrender of the ego for developing humility and dissolving self-deluded personal dogma. You can now initiate a loving and harmonious, resonating and reflective, transformative process of devout inspiration for comprehensive intimacy and meaning with loved ones, thus stimulating psychic absorption, compassion, spiritual wisdom, and rapture.
Take a moment and allow all of this energy to soak in. You now notice that the indigo beam from the moon is beginning to dissipate, and the aperture of your third eye is now closed. Take a deep breath in, hold, and release. Take another deep breath in, hold, and release. Take one final deep breath in, hold, and release. Begin a normal breathing rhythm and exhale the mist from your lungs. Feel your senses coming back online as you become aware of the place where you started this meditation. Start to wiggle your fingers and your toes, and when you are ready, you may open your eyes. Welcome back.
Yes, indeed. Yeah, told you, good one. Yep, you get to surrender your ego, develop humility, fix relationships with family and close friends. This is about balance and harmony. This is a truly good meditation, especially for where we're at right
Oh,
now.
it's certainly where we're at, and
People need this one. Definitely.
incredibly powerful. So.
Yep. Yes, and yes, it is. And I would actually sit and think about this one when you're done. Feel the energy, feel the calmness, allow the cooperation to come in, the harmony, the balance.
Hmm.
Fix, the relationships you have on a spiritual level. Those tend to last a long time.
That they do. That they do.
Yeah.
This transformation is going to be massively wonderful.
Okay.
So,
Yes.
all right. Well, thank you for joining us. And we look forward to seeing you all next time.
Yes.
Do remember to like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.